On the other side of their body, these are known as their pectoral fins. The dolphin's pectoral fins are used to steer their bodies right and left and up and down. On the dolphin's back is a large fin that's shaped like a triangle. This is known as their dorsal fin. Let's look for Nolani on the south side, the right side of the pool. Showing off that dorsal fin, hopefully on her back. There she is. Now the dolphin's dorsal fin works just like the keel on a boat. Keeps it all moving in a straight line, even at speeds up to 25 miles per hour. Well, last but not least, their third very important type of fin. These are their large and powerful tail flukes. The dolphin's tail flukes do provide them with all the strength and all the power that a dolphin needs for swimming and for jumping. Now these three different types of fins equal three very important things: speed, power, and agility. Well, no, we're doing a great job. The dolphins have been receiving a wide variety of rewards.